This is a ukulele tutorial for Take Me Home Country Roads by John Denver. Now there is a matching ukulele play along on my Ukuleleans channel, and I'll pop a link in the description below. It's quite a recent upload and it's quite popular, so I thought I'd do a little tutorial to go with it. We'll take a look at the chords to start with. There are 5 chords. There are a couple of trickier ones in there. So the first chord is an A. So you're going to put your second finger, 2nd fret, on the G string, and your first finger, 1st fret, on the C string. There's your A. Then the D chord, bit of a squeeze. You put your first finger, 2nd fret, on the G string, your second finger, 2nd fret, on the C string, and your third finger, or your ring finger, you're going to tuck in 2nd fret on the E string, and it should sound. Alright, there's our D. Now, lots of players prefer playing it with their 3rd, 4th and 5th finger. Alright, it's entirely up to you. I just prefer 1, 2 and 3, and it should look like that. It can be a little bit of a squeeze. There's our D once more. Our E7 chord, you put your first finger, 1st fret, on the G string, second finger, 2nd fret, on the C string, and your ring finger, or your third finger, 2nd fret, on the A string. And that's our E7. There we go. Now our F sharp minor, it sounds scarier than it actually is to play. You put your second finger, 2nd fret, on the G string, your first finger, 1st fret, on the C string, and then your third finger or ring finger, 2nd fret, on the E string, and it should sound. Alright, there's our F sharp minor, and it's actually the same chord pattern as a G7 chord, just across the strings. So there we go, F sharp minor once more, and then our last chord is a G. Alright, now if you're not sure how to play any of the chords, check the chord charts, because it tells you which frets and strings to play, and the numbers are our fingers. I've got to admit, this song took me a little bit by surprise in school, because all the students seemed to know it. Every time I played it, all the kids started joining in, singing. I'm thinking, well, where do they know it from? Is it a film? So when I asked them, I just always got the reply, well, it's a classic song, miss. So there we are. Right, the strum pattern. In school we call this the island strum. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Alright, the speed is about like that. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Keeping it nice and light. Use your first finger or your thumb, whatever you prefer. Alright. It stays that pattern throughout. However, some of the chords you play that pattern once, some of them you play it twice, some of them you play it 4 times. Follow a little track as it goes above the chords, and that'll show you how long to play them for. Let's have a play through the song. So it starts on an A chord. I know John Denver, so I apologise for my singing in advance. Alright, get ready, here we go. 4 times for the intro. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze, country road. strumming and in the chords. I belong where roads take me home, down country roads, take me home, down country roads. I hope that has helped. If you've got a comment or a question, leave it below. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.